Behind the fridge door. What goes on in the fridge after its door closes? Apparently a lot happens right under our noses. For when all is quiet and we are out of sight, it's like putting kids to bed on a sleepover night. Drinks and condiments have racks in the door. The fruit and veg each have their own drawer. Anything dips or dairy share the middle shelf, and appropriately meat as a tray or to itself. A degree of OCD? Maybe you could make that case, but I do believe that things have their proper place. I also believe that once I put the perishables away, the place they belong is where they should stay. But the gremlins sneak in and move things around. There's a punnet of strawberries yet to be found. Yes, it may be a bit pedantic, but I'm pretty sure nothing pickled belongs in the vegetable drawer. Now, I know that I put that jug right at the back. Somehow it's right on the edge, ready to attack. A lidless tub of cream no longer seemed weird, especially after my chocolate eclair disappeared. I reckon there was a party in my fridge last night. The gremlins had polished off most of the white. Leftover pizza was half eaten and stripped bare, and chunks were missing from the camembert. The remains of the chicken were in quite a mess, and the chocolates, well, that's anybody's guess. I am quite certain fruits don't squash themselves and spread their sticky juices all over the shelves. I've tried hard to catch those gremlins at play, but when I open the door, they just hide away. What really happens behind a door that's closed? Maybe that secret will be best left unexposed.